Okay, I got 2 times forbidden. I guess that I created multiple streams now. But who the hell cares, right? Fuck, man, I'm probably spamming my amazing and beautiful subscribers as where's the link for... I don't know why... send feedback, participants, timestamps. I don't know why I cannot get the link from YouTube live chat. Where's the fucking link? Give me the... Okay, virtual machine. Alrighty. So there's a new post on my blog. You should all go read it. It will triple your ding dong size. Everyone, let me get the link. Not this link, this link. So I wanted to look at virtual machine stuff, but, and this is a small but, not a big but. I'm kind of physics. What the fuck? There's something that kind of makes me apprehensive about it, right? I have no idea what is this mustache stuff. Okay. And the VM code should be around here. Yeah, right here. So there's VM thread, VM symbol, VM stack, VM executable. And the problem is that if you look at VM executable, right, it depends on chunk file, SLC stuff, return owner. I guess that's fine. I guess this one is fine for now. Chunk VM executable. Chunk flavor, I have no idea. Oh, I know exactly what is this. I've seen it. Chunk parameters. Yeah, I've seen these guys. Yeah, okay. I can look into VM executable. VM exec. Oh, I'm on the wrong file. Okay. So let me put this here. So VM underscore executable. Here. Beautiful. Yeah, amazing. Apparently there aren't that many things to do. Yeah, okay. This looks like a cool thing to check. Serial in, I think. Okay. So looks like it's mostly zeros. Params list, maybe parameter list. So we get the size here. Serial in. So the size seems to be 3C. So serial in, yeah. Ooh. Okay, so fuck. How do I get this VM executable? So I need to find this thing. VM executable clear. Oh. Not good, not good. Script object destroy, okay. Script. I need to find this. I don't know if... yeah, I guess there's something inlined here. Because I don't expect this to be called... yeah, okay. It's definitely inlined. And... yeah, and there should be something not found here. Yeah, error not found. Okay. Executable link. So this should be called in 3 places. In VM executable link. Oh, maybe it's this one. Case 9. Yeah, looks like it. So take a look here. Kinda looks like it, right? So I gotta say yeah. Yeah, looks like it, yeah. But again, who is calling this guy? Yeah. I need to find where these VMX, so serial in. That's fine. What the fuck? Ooh, VM symbol. Look, who calls serial in? Script manager load. Okay. Script. So there's this string table here. Okay, let's look for it. Yo, come on, man. Don't be like this. World dynamic system. Scene file. So WDS open. No. Let's do it this way. Not a big fan of renaming. Ah, shit, I should have. Oh yeah, that's true. This one. Okay, much better. WDS open. Yeah. So why am I here? Yeah, why am I here? So yeah, I'm looking for serial in. And serial in script manager loads. World dynamic system loads. What the fuck? Wait, this is silly. So how serial in script manager load? Okay. So how the fuck did I get here? Okay, that's fine. World dynamic system load. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is good. Already have this function name, which is really cool. And so the load, I guess it's this one. Most likely. World dynamics. Load scene. There's the 80 something here. Oh yeah, game render load meter. Yeah, but not you. You. Oh, fuck off. You become this. This is cool. System idle. I guess this is the system idle function. Yeah, boy. It's not doing anything here. Okay. Why is this called system idle though? So let me look into Kelly Slater source code. I don't, yeah, okay. I don't know how closed system idle. The system idle so it doesn't appear to hang to the device. Printf Bob's name is yeah, test main. Apparently this is part of test main. Who cares? A little concern for that. So load scene. is the one, right? Okay, there's a load scene that I... So, preload. Okay, it's this one. And around here, there should be a serial in. So, load meter 80. Maybe I can also check this terrain. Load meter. Oh, serial in right here twice. And these are all string X's. Yeah, boy, I found it. I found it. No, you fuck off. And now I name you. Great. Great, 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 great. So, oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, I already saw this function, apparently. Do 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 do. So, text file read. Ooh, it looks interesting. Text file read, work. Huh. There's another text file read over here. Oh, this actually does work. Okay. Okay, now it makes sense. But how does this connect to serial in? Oh. Wait, how many serial ins there are? Are there? Oh, shit. Why there so many serial ins, man? Serial in. Serial in. Face. That's crazy. That's crazy. Now I understand the problem with this. Script. Wait. So which serial in do I want? For fuck's sake, man. Do 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 do. Yam executable. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Are there any cool strings here or there? String copy right here. Unreg. Oh, perfect. I could have just looked at this. Why? What's going on? Why can't I find these amazing strings anywhere? Can't I? Let me just do something crazy, right? No, okay. This is not going to work like this. VM executable. Yeah, this is where I spend most of the time. Just script manager load. So I need to look for script manager load. Run that load. Huh. Could it be this one? I mean this one over here. Looks like it, to be honest. Hmm. Do. So can also be in line. That's the thing that I'm kind of worried about. Text file. This is the destructor of text file, I guess. Text file close. Yeah, text file is open. Going. Where it is. So apparently, I don't know if it's always the same function, right? What the fuck? I guess that's the destroy array thing. Okay. Cool. I know this serial in. Serial in 2. It's not this serial in. It's one of these, I guess. No. Which one exactly is it though? This one. There's serial in 2. Chunk flavor. Yeah. Okay. Maybe here in the code can find it through here. Maybe it's nearby. Could be. Do 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 do. Is it virtual thing VM executable? VM executable. Let's see where it's actually used. Right, VM thread class. Okay. I want to see where it's, allocated. That's fine. Signal. Because I don't see it being allocated. You understand what I mean? I want CPP files. CPP. Oh, down here, okay. Find function by address. I don't know where they are being created, but okay. Yeah, VM executable vector. Yeah. What? Thank God. Something happened. Here. Damn. Doesn't seem to be used. Okay. But alrighty. Boo. What? Are these versions that different? Do 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 do. Boo. Yeah, okay. Cannot find it. That's fine. Do, 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 do. Yeah, here, okay. This is the... It's such a weird thing. So many calls to this thing. What about VM symbol though? VM symbol. Oh, look at this VM symbol. We'll serial out. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. LV33. Right. Mm-hmm. Okay, I found two. Mm-hmm. Alrighty. What's the other I found? Let's see. Oof. I guess this one is the more appropriate. Hmm. Kind of. Let's see. Script object. I see only. I don't see that. Oh, wait. No. Okay, never mind. VM executable. Set suspended. Okay. Maybe I can look into VM thread first and look into other VM stuff. Oh. Okay, never mind. Hmm. Shit. Pop PC. VM thread run. I want like error strings and stuff like that, right? Use of KLP to use of OP. And size of this one. Is bad read pointer, doesn't matter. VM thread, SLF error. Mm-hmm. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Fuck. Okay. Okay, this looks more like what I would expect. Okay, so I can know for sure that this is this one. Yeah. So this VM thread remove from local region. It's this one. And I can be sure. Yep. A1. Yes, okay. That I can be sure. Remove from local character. Yoink. This guy over here. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Remove from local character. That's cool. So VM thread. Maybe I can start with VM thread. Stopped. Move from local character. Okay. Yeah, but this is really cool to see. Accidentally pressed F1. So VM thread. I guess is the destructor. Kind of going crazy over here. No. Ah, shit. Okay, yeah, over here. Ooh, this kill thread looks cool. Grenade clear. uh, sure. Thrown item room. Add local thread. Set suspended. So now that I have VM thread stuff, right? So for example, this one. Yeah, okay. So where's the set suspended? So there's the run. Set suspended should be this one over here. And does it look like the set suspended? Kind of does. Yeah, it does. It does. This is a great way to label stuff. Actually, it doesn't look like it. This one looks more like the set suspended though. So, yeah. It looks more like it. Yeah. I have no idea what. Okay. So let's take a look at this set suspended to be super duper sure. Game on pause. So deactivate. Deactivate. Yeah, this one. Yoink. Yeah, set suspended. Okay, that's good to know. So script object add thread. Looks like it's this one. Yeah. And add thread. Oh my god. I found VM thread. That's great news for the unemployed. Yeah, there's this. What the fuck? Insert. VM stack push. Oh, nice. Maybe VM stack is easier to work with. I don't know. Now let's take a look at VM stack, right? Or like so. There's only one function in VM stack. Oof. This is interesting. Will you decomp Wolverine? What the fuck? What is that game, bro? Wolverine's Revenge. I've never seen that game, man. What? 2003? Oh, it's the movie tie-in game. I have no interest in it. Like, there's two reasons to decompile a game. Technical reasons and for interest in the game. And I'm not just... But if there's like ongoing decompilation project and they ask for help, for example, let me give an example. On the decomp me server, okay, actually I think I can give a better example. On the decomp me platform, people usually share their how do I say, their scratches. For example, this one is 99.54. There's differences. I guess, yeah, they are, I think it's only the name of the global data. Yeah, this is basically matched. But yeah, if someone needs help and they post stuff, I can help. I've tried to help a couple times. There is GameCube. Looks like there's extra code here. Yeah, okay. But yeah, so if they share stuff, I can help, but I'm not going out my way, not to tie into X2. But as I said, I don't know the game and I don't have much interest in stuff that I don't know. But I'm always open to help others. So look. What? VM signal? Fuck. Report overflow. Interesting. They should be turned on for them. But yeah, that's basically it, what I have to say. So, if I get asked for help, I help. If not, it's fine. Okay. I only read comics very sporadically. Ah, interesting. VM thread. That's crazy, bro. Yeah. Is there any some code? Yeah, where is VM stack allocated? Because according to this, char const. Yeah, const char. Yeah, mem copy. Yeah. And yeah, okay. Like, it's not that I don't really care about the game, that's what I'm saying, but if there's anything that I can help with, I'm open to help, that's what I mean. Is it me or VM stack is most likely not used? Oh, it seems to be actually used. Interesting. But where they allocate, this is the thing that I don't understand about C++. It's hard to track allocations. Yeah. But okay, let's continue with the VM stuff. VM thread. So I have the run. call script library. Should be this one. Or should it? Huh. Create event callback. Huh. Local event callback. Okay, this is the cool one to do. And just abusing strings to find what I need is what I need in my life. Hmm. But yeah, as I said, I'm not going out my way to decompile that game. Initialize script par. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Signal add callback. Actually, I really like streams like these where I'm just labeling stuff. This one. So there's a function call here that here got inlined, and it's pretty obvious that it got inlined. So I can try to figure out what there is, right? So VM thread SLF error. So G game get script manager. Okay. This is more complicated than I thought. But yeah. So VM thread run. There should be a pop PC around here then. What? A known function. So yeah, this one looks like this. Not sure what these are about. Oh, this MFC stuff, apparently. Oh, there's these unknown function exclamation points. Oh, sweet. Self error. Oh. So apparently this is SLF error. Why there's like two? Hmm. Yeah, I can see there's the output debug string A. And I don't think it's used anyway. Yeah, okay. Interesting. This is another, yeah, okay. It's very strange. So set suspended, right? Let's take a look at set suspended. Set suspended. Is suspendable. Ah, interesting. Apparently there's even is flagged. Jesus Christ. Flags. Yeah, okay. To 48. So I can start adding VM threads to the code. That's fine. VM thread.h and fix the compilation errors along the way. Yoink. So remove me on site. GT. No problem. I'll definitely do it. So, and VM thread CPP. Okay. So there's a very high chance that this doesn't work, but that's why I like it. Other files. And here I add VM thread H, yes. Here I add VM thread CPP. Okay. This will most likely complain about stuff that doesn't. Script library class H. Do. Let's just comment stuff. Script object. Yeah. Oh, and VM stack too. Script object. No, VM numt. Okay. So we've got ourselves oh, this is cool. No, fuck off. Comes from VM stack. Maybe I should add VM stack. Yeah. VM stack is like low. Okay. And it depends on VM thread though. Not really. Okay. So here you go. VM stack.h. Yoink. Perfect. Okay. VM thread is not a class or namespace. No. Script library. So I only need a pointer, right? So this should be enough. I don't need to act like I cannot open VM executable. Of course you can. Script objects. Ugh. Okay. Actually, I need script object. Fuck. That's the actual problem with this. So script object object.h. A man can't have fun. Script object.h. Look. This is my problem with this. It just keeps going. Script library class. Just this. Library class. Oh, scheiße. I need a singleton. Of course. This kind of 33 errors. That's beautiful. Binary function. What? Interesting. This binary function bullshit comes from nowhere. C pointerless. I have no idea. What the fuck? Public. No. Ah, it's a standard thing. Crazy. Function lists. Bro. This is insane. The amount of stuff that gets defined per square meter. So it takes a function and returns boolean. It's just a fancy way of doing that. It's like a fancy function pointer, okay. I don't know why it's called binary function though. Function list. So script library class. Yeah, it's literally type def over there. Yeah, I guess that there's a using namespace std somewhere, don't care. Uh, 11 errors, that's crazy. That's crazy, okay. Managed to make this work. Yoink. Not you. VM symbol. My god, it's like a matryoshka. This is crazy. Oh shit, I messed up. Yeah, go up there. Of course it depends on... And it depends on chunk file. My god. It's absolutely insane. VM symbol. Mutual complaint there's no chunk file. Yeah. Chunk file.h. OS file, mustache. Like, for fuck's sake. Everything depends on everything. I wanted to isolate the code as much. So it was good to start with target MKS. What the fuck is MKS? MKS hardware. MKS console. Lincoln MKS. What fuck? What is it about though? MKS is Dreamcast. I have no idea what it means. Yoink. So I need to create hard OSPC, .32 file.h. Yeah, and define. This is not define. And yeah, it shows text file. Text or text? Text file.h. Let me just put this on the other screen so it's easier for me to copy. Text file.h. Okay, it depends on OS file and mustache. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. Yoink. Hopefully now the one that's missing is mustache. And mustache. Mustache. It depends on p string, for fuck's sake. It's crazy. Mustache.h. Yoink. Great. So now I'm missing p string.h. Fuck's sake. Yeah, okay. I think p string can just be like this. Packed string header. Okay, that's avl3. avl3.h. JSON bar. Oh, okay. That's interesting. E kernel.h. Huh. GameCube or Xbox. I think this is PlayStation 2 stuff. E kernel. Yeah, this looks like... So, oh yeah, okay. Alright, oh yeah, it's definitely... So there's the game. So, Adam... I need... So I need to change this. Patch. Stashes. For freak's sake. So, stashes. $15 errors, that's cool. OS file. Patch class. Oh, 15 errors. Oh, fuck, I need the proper size for it. Because it's, yeah, okay. I cannot just forward declare it. Okay. That's sad. I do this, right? Missing before async stash file. What the fuck? Wait, file spec. Okay. I should probably focus on file spec. File spec. Nice. I guess file spec will be done now. File spec.h and beautiful. Now VM execute. Oh my fucking god. We're going like full. That's the thing that I'm kind of worried about. Is that everything depends on everything from what I'm seeing. Like there's no proper isolation. 36 SO data block. Okay. SO data block. Finally, something small. Okay. Data block.h. Yeah. You do you. 36 OS timer. OS timer. 032 timer. It's fine. So OS timer.h. And now what I need to do is add hardware timer.h. Define and if, and this looks good. 100 error count exceeds missing if not define release static symbols. What the fuck? Inline OS return binary. What is the problem of this OS file? What? But I have OS file, don't I? Oh. Hmm. That will be fun. Okay, be right back. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. So. This is a tragedy. I'm just joking. Um, but I need to now GameCube, Xbox, PS2. Yeah, okay, let's see how different these things are, right? Class, GC file. They look the same. It looks like the same, no? Common to all OS file. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty-o. So I can just yoink this, right? But I'll need to define some of the contents. Fuck. So, friend class. Like, just by having this, and now I need to include movie player. What the fuck, man? Patch. Let me just look for tab new, term, rep, uh, OS file. No, class OS file. Mustache. Why? Okay. The line endings are killing me. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It was on the wrong file. That's fine. I don't know why it needs to be capitalized like that. File CPP. Include. What? Okay. File.h. That's fine. Guess I'll use the Xbox because it's the most similar and not think too much about it. Yes, anything else will be silly. Okay. It should be enough. Reduce the errors. 89. Okay, now we don't have 89. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. STD. Yeah, I'm missing that shit. 76, but it just cuts multiple errors at once. Not going to stress this one. So I need opcodes.h. My god. Okay. Opcodes.h. Let me steal opcodes.h. Opcodes.h. Ooh. It's a beautiful file. I love these short files. So it's just this. 64 opcode T. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. That's cool. Opcode argt. Sure, argt. Debug.h. Yeah. 64. I don't know why this was moved. Okay. Why? Okay. 64 algebra. Fucking heck. It's impossible to just have simple things. Algebra.h. Yoink. So hardware os xv algebra.h. And if algebra imports, it's basically vector stuff. No serial in. I have no idea what that actually means. What? Wait a moment. PC algebra. Okay, there's no such thing. PC algebra. Interesting. So here it's called PC algebra. Is NGL. Algebra H. And if seriously 20 terrain.h signals app. For fuck's sake, this is insane. The amount of code that exists here, it's just making me go crazy, seriously. Terrain.h. Like, is it really necessary to have all of this? Terrain.h. Oh my god. Terrain.h depends on a shit ton of stuff. Yeah, so the VM stuff, I think it just backfired spectacularly. Pmesh, of course. I need Pmesh. Yoink. Vert. Don't be platform specific. Max skin bones. H. Wow. So max skin bones H. Wedge. Yeah. Oh, this doesn't seem to import anything. Wedge.h. Cannot color.h. Mesh refs. Mesh refs. Nice. TXT card. Okay, hardware math. I think will be the next. This is what it's looking like. Hardware math. That's fine. Why is it always useful math? So now I also need to create hardware x86 math.h. Okay. Useful math.h. Still in this. Yoink. Unexpected end of file. Where? What? Okay. Ooh. Can fix this. Okay. Reduce number of errors. So angle T. So angle T comes from somewhere, and I have no idea where. I guess it's one of the. Copying from the Xbox version might be the best thing to do. Ah, perfect. Yes. That was a great idea. So face.page. Face flags. Okay. Material, for fuck's sake. Color, ref pointer, hardware rasterize. There you go. This is truly. Okay, hardware rasterize. Yeah, come here, rasterize. And then hardware D3 rasterize.h. Okay, this should build instance.h. Debug OS unlock. Yeah. Sean. OS lock. Great stuff. Okay. So okay, this one I need to add std here. Now this should build, no problem. Now I need to fix all of these errors like one by one. Let me just first add a checkpoint, right? Git status. Yeah. Alrighty-o. So I need to go one by one and fix this one. Yeah. std. This is also std. All of these are std problems. Oh, ref pointer. For fuck's sake, I was this close. Now I... Uh-huh. Ref pointer, yoink. Map E. That's it, brother. Map E. Is it everything? Thank God, after you get 100 errors, he decides that might not be the best. So the problem is time value t, right? I need to understand XB timer. So is it always float though? Rational. So hardware texture, okay. And declared identifier. Public ref. Texture MGR. Okay. The rasterize. Okay. Rasterize. Include. Let's go, boy. Okay. I can see this. I need a rational T. Where does this goofy thing come from? Comes from XB globals, XB math. Huh. Yeah, okay. So x86 math. Hmm. So I see XV globals here, right? XV globals.h. Oh, interesting. There's GC globals and PC globals. Okay. That's crazy. Alrighty. So rational T, that's my problem with it. That it's defined in two places. So include both rational T. I mean type def. Type def. Right, but it doesn't fix it though. Okay. Oh yeah, vector 2D. So yeah, I just fix this like this. Oh, vector 2D, vector 3D. I don't know. So it was importing hardware math. Oh, it's the way they are imported. Okay, okay. So doesn't matter. Okay. Class vector 2D. Class vector. "23 errors." Beautiful. Okay. So I kind of need vector 3D and kind of embarrassing to do goofy stuff like this. What the fuck? Oh yeah, that's true. Miss Republic. Okay, I'm kind of used to C# and Java. Too many actual macros. Okay. None of that. Silly, but I gotta do it. Okay. Yeah, yeah. SQR, SQR, SQR. So useful math should have it, no? There's no speed reason for this. It's just convenience. Bro, what the fuck? So what's your problem? So actually surprised that I need to do this. Hmm. Well, okay. This work. Only 18 errors left. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is easy. Okay. That's cool. Okay, I'm actually almost reaching the linking phase. Let me just check something on my phone. Mm-hmm. All right. Only goofiness. Interesting. So vector to dr. That's interesting. Where does it come from? Of course, I'll take the Xbox version all day. So need to go to algebra. Oh no. This guy. Yeah. Vertex context. Okay, vertex context. I guess that's and rasterize. Okay, that's important. So rasterize this guy. Beautiful. Oh, this rep. Fuck. Fuck. So I was happy. Not anymore. This rep. This rep. Color PO. OS timer render flav. Ah, fuck. Okay, doesn't matter. This rep. Yoink. And I'm so close to having this bullshit build, and I'm not complaining. Position and orientation. This is a small thing. po.h. It's more contents. Render flav. Cannot open C. For fuck's sake, man. It's never ending. String X mesh refs. Can this bullshit just end sometime? Uh-huh. Can graph, for fuck's sake. This is incredible. You know, graph.h. Please. Please. Light.h. Yeah, we had like 6 errors, now we have 86. Color entity. Oh my god. This is now going to introduce more convoluted bullshit. Entity.h. So, okay, now I understand what happened. So, entity.h. Stop. Oh my god. Come on. Look at this. Who the fuck decided this was a good idea? Chunk file, entity ID, graph. So graph imports entity and entity imports graph. Insane, actually. If it weren't for the include guards, then... And, oh my god, this is almost 2000 lines. Cannot frame info.h. OS timer. Frame info.h. Oh, let's just do this. Frame info.h. Okay, good. And flavor.h, of course. Bjarn. Entity ID. Hopefully it's just type def. Entity ID. Oh no. Entity ID. Let me just take a look at something here. Kelly Slaters. Using namespace std. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, it's in some places indeed. Oh yeah, if defined Xbox. Yeah, okay. STL adapter, maybe I need that one. But okay, let's just animation. It's incredible. There's always these Uber files that kind of take over the whole code base. Where if you want everything to make use of something, just import that file. And in Flavor, of course. Chunk file. No, sorry, and in flavor.h. And flavors. Are you bullshitting me? Region graph. Yeah, we're going import everything under the sun. Class portal, Treyarch. Yeah. Region graph.h. Yeah, what the fuck? This looks retarded as fuck. I need to look into graph. I think I'm missing some kind of graph. Yeah, graph, region graph. Okay. I guess this is the graph. So let's just do what's fine with this and just patch this bitch. Static mem.h. Yo, we're almost there, man. What the fuck? When I open this with GitHub, it just opens the file. Wants me to save it somewhere. Raw. Hey, if I press on whatever, documents, Toby, Spidey, source. Animation IDs, for fuck's sake, seriously, stop. I'm just creating every single file at this point. Which is insane. I just wanted to create a VM and I got the whole thing. Do 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 do. Yeah, let's actually copy these contents. Bone.h, okay. Link interface. My fucking god, this is insane. This is a really bad project. Every little file depends on a new file, and it doesn't stop. Algebra PO, entity interface global. Okay. Entity interface, okay. Nice. I guess this entity. Stop it. Of course. Getting lots of errors still. Now I need to fix a couple where I can continue. A10 to F. Where is it getting these translations? Right? Oh, it's part of useful math. Yeah. So hard. I need to include math.h. Should be cmath, but whatever. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, arc tangent. What? I just think it's too many. Second C linkage of overloaded is not allowed. What the fuck is this error? Is it a warning? Is it... I have no idea why those things were there. Uh, entity signals. Okay. I haven't imported any signals related. Uh, entities bounced. That's funny. Capsule H. Algebra called geom. For fuck's sake, man. Like a fucking matryoshka, man. Doesn't stop. Looks odd. Or is VC6 on or is on Win looks odd. Or is it VC6? It is VC6. I don't know why you say it looks odd. Cold geom. Like compared to modern Visual Studio, it boots instantaneously, and physics. Oh shit! Did I find a file that doesn't exist? What? I think I did. No. Okay, my bad. It does exist. But yeah. No, but I'm using it because I want to build it for KS physics. What? Wait. KS. Ah. Okay, this is different. Okay. Interesting. I'll just assume this is the proper physics because there's no other physics H. Yoink. And I want to match the IDE, so that's why I'm using it. ODE. What the heck is this? The physics object class? I'm so lost. I might delete all of this, but yeah. Call mesh. The amount of bullshit that I'm adding to this code is incredible. WDS. Oh, WDS. I was looking at it today. Oh my god. This is one of those that... Look how... If they had less code in the headers, it would have been tolerable. Generator. It's like the first one, right? Entity script object. Yeah, I guess. Sure, buddy. I need a generator. So much code. M object. Conglom. Okay. Conglom. God damn it. Entity animation. I think I've done that file. No? I don't know. Entity. Oh no. I've done many entity stuff. I think I'm doing too much, but okay, whatever. PO and name. I feel like this is reaching a goofy ass point. Static mem, PO and name.h. Linear animation. Everything depends on everything. And of course, linear animation depends on animation, which is interesting. Signal animation. Platform defines. Ooh. That's cool. That's respectable. Camera.h. Why is this going to camera now? It seems like this is importing too much stuff at this point. Yeah. Mic.h. Constants.h. Okay. So I'm still in camera.h. Oh, great. Scene animation. Path H. Render data. Box trigger interface. Yeah. Convex. This is pure insanity. Bound.h. That's a Kanye West reference for sure. convex box. There's a lot of code in header files, which is insane. Okay, I'm going to copy this guy, material, so aggvertbuff.h. Oh, there's no file.h. Add file. Game.h, for fuck's sake, man. I'm reaching app.h. I'm beach data. Jesus Christ. This is reaching goofy levels of. No. 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 What the fuck? Please, no. Script library class. Okay, I guess. Script leave mfg h. I swear to God. What? Script. Script mfg signals.h. Beach data. I know that this is. Come on. What? Beach data? Wait. I guess it's one of those retarded files. So let's just comment this bitch out. Career date. I think I'll also comment this out. Okay. Because there's a lot of imports that I would push. Let me think about this. Would push. To time attack. Oh yeah, okay. Let's just. Okay, this looks fine. FE panel, maybe. This is important. So, hardware movie player, random. Come on, man. That's not what I wanted to do. Warts.h. Maybe this will help. Oh yeah, it seems to build without. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. All. Why is the left pane? Okay. Quartz.h. Quartz.h. Not working. Okay, fuck off. Adjust sizes. Game process. Do I need it? If not, let's just not include it. Game info vars. Huh. Game info. Game info vars.h. Okay, at least I've got something that's more sane. Input manager. Okay, this looks important and I should definitely hook this bitch up. Yeah. Input mgr. Ah, that's the monkey that they mean. Warn level. Warn level.h. Okay. Developers didn't like to be bothered. Respect. Don't I have this already? Interesting. So let's just comment this one out because it's kind of different, the timer implementation. Commands. Let's also try to comment this out. Because if they are Kelly Slater controller, no. Yeah, okay. We can comment 90% of the stuff just fine. Sphere, hyperplane, portal. Yeah, but let's include some of the things though. Sphere.h, yoink. Now the next one will be hyperplane. Hyperplane.h. Then I guess it will be hull. Then it will be portal. Do I have portal or not? I think I do have portal. I might be wrong. Build plane.h. How did I miss this guy? Oh, this is a simple function. Yeah, you do you. I don't give a shit about you. Region. I don't have region. Maybe it will complain about pmesh. App.h for fuck's sake. Oh, we are back in VM thread. Woohoo, I guess. Oh, I'll need signaler. Yeah, I don't like this. Global signals. Yeah. Global signals. SL debugger. Yeah, let's copy these and why? I think they are doing this because they pre-compile the headers. It's so goofy at the same time. End of the file fun. So I have a lot of things to fix now. 99 problems. A beach into one. Okay. Oof. Alrighty-o. I like these more simple bugs. I can fix everything related to that. .78. Like you can cut so many errors by not being stupid. Nodes. So a node is a list of edges. Scary bullshit. Identified. Feels cool. How many errors? 67. Bone. Base class. Okay, need to look into that. Oh, great. Oh, wow. Most of the errors is just missing STD stuff. That's fine. Like, I can fix most of these by just doing this, which is crazy. Ah, okay, there's a extra space here. Yeah, so this is problem. Yoink. Huh. Of course, I just found more errors. That's fine. But okay, so vector. It's funny. Too many errors. No. Yeah, I have lots of things to fix. Yeah. Okay. So I know that today I won't get these, fail. Okay. Build. Fix more errors. Yeah. Basically, I'll just need to. This. No. I'll stop the stream for today because I need to have dinner and then, yeah, do other stuff. Yeah. It's a productive stream today. I don't like the fact that this is not building. What the fuck? Okay. Oh yeah, true. People rebase. So now, oh shit! Stop! This is wrong. So what I want to do, add files, header, include files, right? Do here, okay, add files folder. Bam. We'll do this, add files folder. Basically these two. And then source files. Yank. Bam. Okay. Fucking heck, this needs to be up here. It needs to be save workspace. And more importantly, yeah, the workspace is just fine. Wrong password. Let me take a look at my repo. Okay. I guess it will work because the how do I say the makefile wasn't updated, so it will still build, which is cool. There's a bunch of code that's not touched. Yeah, it just works. So yeah, I can just update the makefile when I want to, because that's basically the source of truth. But yeah, I'm happy with this. So in this case, yeah, I'd like to remind everyone to go to my blog. Let me post the link again in chat. Okay, go to my blog if you want to learn more about the project. And yeah, I'd like to wish everyone a nice evening and maybe see you in 2 days or something like that. I don't think that tomorrow I'll work on this project, but yeah, have a nice one, everyone. See ya.